Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to get your hair into some nice curls. So what you'll need to do is just have your hair straightener. Here today I don't have my hair curler during this time, and I've just got my hair straightener, so my GHDs, and I'm going to show you how to get your hair nice and curly. So the first thing you want to do is, I've got my hair out, I've washed it and I haven't straightened it. I've just been plaiting my hair, so that's why it's a little bit of, what's it called? I don't know what that's called. So the first thing you want to do is you want to brush your hair out, and you want to get your hair, and you want to put your hair into a nice ponytail. So the best way to do this is a comb or a brush, and you want to make sure your pony is nice and high. So make sure you've got a hair tie so you can do your hair up. So that's where I'm going to tie my pony. And tie it, you can tie it tight, you don't have to tie it that tight because you will eventually need to take it out. So that's my nice high pony. My hair looks good as it is, I think, just like this. Probably doesn't even need hair curling. But now I'm going to get my hair straightener, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to section the hair out, and you just want to start going through little bits like this, and just go through and get your hair curler and start curling it backwards. So what you'll find is that this is a lot quicker because you're not doing like your whole head. Well, you kind of are, but in a lot of a quicker way. So as you can see, that's the first curl. It looks quite nice, I'd say. And then you just want to continue doing that. So again, grab your hair like an inch or less, and then grab your hair curler and just pull through and curl. And if you're doing it with a tongue, then obviously you'll just like curl it instead of doing what I'm doing. So that is, oops, hair's getting stuck on my eyelashes. So you can see that that's the hair curled. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you're curling, that you're curling in that direction, and then when you come to doing this side, you're going to want to do the same thing, so that direction. But we'll get to that in 2 seconds time. So let's just continue to do this. So guys, as you can see, this is one side already done, nice and curly. Looks brilliant, I think. And then I need to go through and do the second section, which is this side. So that took me all of about 5 minutes to do that side of my hair, and my hair is pretty long. So again, it doesn't take that long to do this. We're going to do the other side now. So when you do the other side, you want to, oops, I can't even get it in. You want to do the same thing. One side is always a little bit more difficult because of the way you want to twist the hair, because you want to make sure that this side goes back that way and this side goes back that way. So, don't know how that came out. Not too bad actually. Yeah, it's a little bit more difficult, but once you start doing it, you'll get the hang of it, and it will all be pretty good to go. So we're just going to continue doing this side. Now this method is a lot quicker than having all your hair out and curling it, because you're doing a lot less hair, so you're doing everything from the pony down, and as you can see, this is what it looks like so far, and it's not too bad. It takes about 5 minutes each side, I'd say. And then you have the option of either leaving your hair like this, curly, in a pony, or we can take it out and style it a little bit more, and it's quite effortless, to be honest. People may think you've taken all this time to curl your hair when you really haven't. So I've done this so many times now. The only thing is that it's not going to be like really tight curls unless you go in with a really tight hair curling wand and do that, but for me, I just leave it just quite loose, and my hair is pretty long, so by the end of the night, if we are like going out and I have curled my hair in this way, the hair would actually probably the hair curls would probably drop out by that time, whereas if you curled it without having the pony, you'd probably find that the curls stay in a lot longer. So you could also, after this, then hairspray it and style it the way you want. You could even pull the curls out a little bit with a hairbrush or a hairbrush or a hair curler, a hairbrush or a comb, just to loosen them up a little bit more. I mean, I guess that also depends on what wand or curler you have used. So if you've used a tight curling wand, then obviously your curls will be slightly more obvious than this, and you may want to pull them out a little bit. If not, then I guess you could just wear it like this, right? So we're just coming to the end of doing this side of my hair. So I would say, yeah, each side does take about 5 minutes. You can take slightly longer if you really wanted to, if you wanted to do it a little bit more precise. But the point of this is effortless curls. That shouldn't take too long. So now there you have it. That's the curls. This is how they look so far. Quite nice. So you could leave your hair like this and it looks pretty nice as well. Or we can then finish off the look by undoing the pony that we did at the beginning. And then just pulling out your hair. And then there you have it. You've got just like really nice soft curls all over. And if you want to go in on the front and just make them a little bit more prominent, then you could always do that as well, which is exactly what I'm going to quickly do, just to show you. For me, I think I kind of prefer this hairstyle when I've got it in a pony. It just looks so pretty. So that's that. And I, guys, do not have any layers or anything in my hair, but if you do, I'm guessing the front would be a little bit more nice and curled, more than mine. Or you could go in like I am now and just go over it a little bit, just to show off the layers. But yeah, so that's how you get your hair done really quickly with a hair straightener or a hair curler to get quick and effortless hair curls. So as you can see, that is how the hair looks. Hopefully quite good. Sorry, I'm wearing black, so it doesn't help, but that's what they look like. So like I said, if you wanted to, you could go through and just like pull them out so that they're even looser. But again, that's up to you, and you can just style the rest of your hair the way you want to. Put it up maybe and have it all curly, or just leave it as it is. But this is a really great way to get your hair curly within like 15 minutes. especially if you've got long hair anyway. But guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe as well, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.